Today we are at Daytona Milton Keynes for the LKQ Euro Car Parts National Final karting race. So stay tuned, enjoy the mayhem. It is raining, so it's going to be a little bit slippy. Let's see what we get.
Turn 1 and turn 2, which is amazing considering how slippy it's raining again.
So just getting into the karts now. As you can tell, it's absolutely it down going out for practice qualifying, but hopefully we can set a decent lap time. Now you do see a GoPro on top of my head. Unfortunately, I may have not pressed record for the first two races, so I'm sorry about that. Oh, couple of spins there straight away, of course. Oh, and another one. And another one. I think mine comes soon, actually. Lovely tight going back down to the straight. Cheeky spin. Can I get past him? Yes, I can. Tokyo Drift style. There, that wasn't me. That was wet, greasy, horrible mess of a track. Some parts are dry, some parts are just complete ice cream. There's no point. Let's go home. We qualified 7th or 8th, I believe, and then we finished the first race in 6th. It is wet out there. Some parts of the track are dry, some parts are just like an ice rink. It is impossible to stay straight, but hey, yo, we got it done. We're in 6th. Second race coming up soon. So we've got Akash here now. He's come to support. Car Edition boys are here to show up. Right, what team am I actually in? It's this one. Driving in wet's fine. They're having slick tyres in wet.
Yeah, slick tires are wet, yeah.
They don't go together. It's like wet boat and no oil changes. It just doesn't work. Green, they're going. Go on. Two-stroke, baby. Two-stroke, baby. I was going to say how many laps until a yellow flag. Do you reckon first, second, third, what? Okay. Okay. Nobody spun. Oh yeah, it's dry. 76 seconds. Yeah, so the fastest lap overall before that third race was 93 seconds. So we're down like 15 seconds. Oh, it's massively dried out.
Group 1, if you're having your lunch, get ready.
Group 1, baby. Let's go.
Adam Shaw, Owen Davis, Lee Edwards.
Owen Davis. That's me. Time to get in the car and head out for race number 2. Just started drying out. Thought it was going to be dry. Thought it was going to be dry, but oh, was I wrong. Look at it, lovely. Be prepared for more spins, I think, people. Let's go and get wet again. That was a nervy first corner, that. Yeah, look at that speed. Maybe speed wasn't the right move there. And now I'm behind this pack. That was the pack that took me out twice. That was a nervous corner, that one. Spin, spin, spin. This corner was horrible, did not like to turn at all, and then drift straight out of it. Lovely little drone shots here, look at that. Little wave. Hi, Vlad. Again, forgot to turn on the GoPro. Taken out twice. Made it past the big pack, taken out. Made it past the big pack again, taken out. That is race 2 done. We finished 9th in that race, got taken out a couple of times. I think the Car Edition's a bit of a target, but there you go, it is what it is. Let's go on to the final, see what final we're in and where we place there.
I've grabbed Owen now for a chat. He's from the Car Edition. How's today going so far?
It's mixed emotions because it's mixed weather, but all in all, it's really good.
What team are you racing for?
MPM on the back. I don't know where we are in the points at the minute. I think we're not first, but hopefully MPM can come up top and we can win some prizes today. We'll see.
I mean, to get from 4,000 down to the last 15.
I didn't even know that there were that many people in it. Quite special, really, innit? To make it this far and everyone out there is a bloody good driver, I can tell you that.
How are you finding LKQ as a company now? Obviously, these sort of events coming to this.
Yeah,
One?
this is the first one that we've done so far at the car edition. I think we'll definitely be getting involved in more if we can.
Thank you very much for your time.
No worries. Cheers, Ant. The final race done before the final, funnily enough. We are currently winning as a team. MPM, Team Orange, we are in first place with 485 points. Just need to figure out what final we're in. Pretty sure we're in the A final, so hopefully we get a good result in that. Yellow flag again. So we've made it into the B final. Unfortunately, we were just kicked out of the A. We are starting second. We'll be on in a minute. There's currently a red flag going on. Somebody hit the barrier under a yellow flag, so we will be out soon. Hopefully we can win that race, get some points for the team. That'll be the second part in the further row. Team Orange. So there we are, Team Orange setting out for the final race of the B final. GoPro on, started second, got a really good start, straight in behind the leader. Managed to stick with him as much as I could. I think that was Sam Me in front, really good driver. He actually set the fastest lap time of the day. I was very happy to just be even close to him. As you can see, the track is slightly drying out. The kart's performing okay, constantly changing weather, changing track conditions, but we're learning as we go round. Little fight going on behind me as well. The top was really close at the beginning. Coming down the back straight now. I think the fastest mile per hour set at the back straight was roughly like 68 on that day once it started drying out. Sam and me, we've pulled away from third place. We've managed to pull a bit of a gap. We're going round quite clear, no real hazards. This long right hand corner was when I first noticed that my kart was starting to die. So as I was going round foot flat, it just did not want to go anywhere. It wasn't giving me any power. And as you can hear now, every time coming out of a corner, I think maybe the jetting was wrong possibly, but it just was not giving me the power I needed. Tried to give it a little jump start, but obviously that didn't work, and that is not what we wanted. Oh, a little bit wide on the exit there, Owen. Good team tactics from us there. We're on the same team. He was clearly the faster driver, so I've let him through. Let him through, definitely. Not that my kart was just... Hopefully he can go on to get some more points. There you go again, foot flat, kart died. Rubbin is racing, people, Rubbin is racing. Hopefully we can get him into this corner. Somebody forgot how hard to press the brake pedal. No idea why you braked that early, but there you go, Rubbin is racing. Little sorry wave there to him. Look at this, look at my kart die and how much he just pulls away from me there. Crazy. Oh, another mistake from matey in front. That seems to be the only way we can make positions up in this final race. As you can tell, I wasn't really trying to fight anyone in this final race, but did get a little bit upset. And there we have it, the final is over. We managed to come 5th, paying respects to other drivers.
Exciting.
Car died twice over the back. You come around and just go boo.
Oh shit.
Nothing I can do. So what happened? Car just died twice. Really? As I was going around the long left one as well. I'm like, really? Something's with that car. Absolute.
Last time we've had this happen, red flag, cart left in the middle of the track.
Yeah, because it died because the car was shit. I killed it. There you go. That's what it was. So that is the final over and done with. We went from 2nd to 5th. Unfortunately, we dropped some places. You probably saw my meltdown. You know why. The cart just kept dying. But it is what it is. That's karting. That is motorsport. Sometimes you get problems with the vehicle that you're in. We made the best of the day. If you are interested in doing something like this and you have a local Euros branch, get in touch. Honestly, it's been an amazing day. Can't fault it at all other than that one cart that I got in. I could definitely fault that. Come on, that's the victory dance for the car edition.
First team, MPM team. Winners here this year, 2025. Track day car supply. You can go around Donington Park, rip the arse out of it and have a brilliant, brilliant day. Well done, everybody. You've done a great job. Congratulations. Big round of applause for our winning team here.